Okay, good morning and welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to create a bishop chess piece in Design Sparks Mechanical. Okay, so first of all we want to go ahead and launch the program. Alright, when the program opens up we want to go ahead and go to File, New, Create New Design. Go ahead and change the view with this eye icon here to Plan View. Go ahead and minimize. I have a drawing that I've got off the internet, so I'm going to go ahead and use that as a reference. We're going to add that right to the center there. I know that this piece is approximately 4 inches high, so we're going to go ahead and just use this. If somebody wants it smaller, they can always create this at this size and then go ahead and reduce it down. So since we're going to be revolving this piece, we only have to draw half the piece. So I'm going to start off with a center line. We'll go ahead and turn on Snap to Grid, and then we're going to draw a line straight down the bottom. Go ahead and select off of it. So now I just have to draw half of this shape. So we're going to go ahead and start with a line tool here. We're going to put our base in there. Okay, go ahead and select off of it. And we're going to we use the square tool. I'm going to go ahead and switch to the 3-point arc. We're going to go from right there up to there. And then go ahead and round this. And now you don't have to match yours perfectly to the drawing. Actually, that would be preferred since you're not actually stealing somebody's idea. You just want to use it as a reference. So we'll go ahead and Control plus to zoom in here. Go get the line tool. We want to make some detailed stuff right here, so we'll just go up, over, turn off the snap. Sometimes the snap is kind of problematic, so we'll go up, we'll go over, undo, get the line tool, endpoint, select. Okay, so now Control minus to zoom back out. Now we want to draw this bishop head shape. Go ahead and start with a circle there. That's good. And now we're going to use a tool called the spline tool. This is really great for doing irregular shapes, or especially if you have to you got to trace something. This is a good tool to use. Okay, so it looks like we have the basic shape. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of, actually instead of getting rid of it, we're going to go ahead and select the move, and then we're going to move it over to the right. Okay, so now we're going to go trim away, and we're going to trim away the stuff that we don't need. Don't need that. Don't need that right there. Then we go ahead and I usually like to add a new line to everything before I revolve it. So we'll go ahead and start up there, go down to there, click the select button, go ahead and grab our trim away tool, get rid of this. Now I want to put some radiuses in here, so we'll go ahead and get the circle tool. Select off of it, go ahead and use the trim away tool. Trim away that. We're going to put a radius right there at the bottom of that. So we'll go ahead and grab our create rounded corner tool. And go ahead and select to click off of it. I think I might want to add a rounded corner there too as well. So we'll go ahead and get our circle. To there, select to click off, grab our trim away tool, And then we'll put a little slight radius right in here. So we'll go ahead and get our radius corners. Right there. Go back to the trim away tool. Get rid of that, don't need it. And then maybe one more radius up here. So I'm gonna go Control plus to zoom in. Go ahead and grab our radius tool. And we'll go like that. Okay, that's not looking too bad. So Control minus. Now we're gonna go ahead and use our pull tool. We're gonna select all of this. And we're gonna go revolve. We're gonna select this point here. And then we're gonna end it with a full pull. All right, so there's our bishop. So now we want to go ahead and put this cutout right in here. So go ahead and click on that piece there. And now we're going to go ahead and create a part from the center there. Straight up. Okay, and then select to click off of it. Now we're going to use our offset tool, offset curve. We want to offset that. Let's go 0.129. Okay, now we'll do one on the down part, 0.129. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and grab the arrow, the line tool, click there, put a line across to here. It doesn't matter what length it is. To close these two, we're going to go ahead and create corner tool. That looks good there. Go ahead and hit the select tool. We'll get rid of this one. Don't need it. Go ahead and get the line tool. Close up this line here. This particular piece I want to move up a little bit because it's a little down a little too far. So we'll go ahead and click, hold down the Control key. Get all those pieces. Go to move. Go and grab the red arrow. We're going to pull up a little bit. Maybe right about 0.120. So we're going to go ahead and hit select. Now we're going to go ahead and spin this pawn ever so slightly so we can see what the cut's going to do. Go ahead and get pull. Click on that and go ahead and pull straight through. Hit the select button. Go ahead and grab our spin. And there we go. There's our bishop. I'm going to do one last thing. I'm going to go Control plus. I'm going to use our pan tool to pan down. I'm going to put a little radiuses in here. So maybe like 0.04 for the top. .04 for the bottom. And hold the Control and click all these. Go ahead and add a radius there. 0.04. Hit the select button. Now we're going to spin around to the other side and do the same on here. So we'll go ahead and hit pull. Click, hold down the Control key to get all those three lines. I didn't want that part. Click, Control, Control, 0.04. Hit the select button. Now we're going to go to the display view, go to top. All right, there's our basic pawn shape. I might want to add 2 more fillets to here, so I'm going to go Control plus. We're going to use pan to pan over. We're going to spin, go to pull, we'll add a small fillet there. And we'll add a small fillet there. Use our spin tool to make sure we like it. That looks pretty good. Control minus to zoom out. Then we're going to go to top view. And now that we have, I'll probably put one more radius in there. So we'll go ahead and pull. Okay, hit the select button. All right, there you go. There's your basic bishop chess piece. Hopefully you like this tutorial, and if you found anything useful with this tutorial, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.